Hey y'all, welcome back. We are crafting for Christmas and this is video 2, although most of this was done well before anything else. So what you're seeing here is some crafts that were done for Operation Christmas Child box. This particular box was for a girl aged 10 to 14 and this is a Dollar Tree tote and Dollar Tree iron-on patches, and so we're going with a happy crafting box. So I like to share the ability to craft with somebody, so as I like it so much, so that's what we kind of built upon here on this particular box. And this transferred so easy. So those patches, if you see them, get them, and you can see just how quickly we were able to personalize one little bag. Because they say it's nice to include a bag. That way the child can take their items home with them easily and not lose anything. So transferred that on. I thought about putting that on a hat, but I thought a bag would be really useful. So, and I don't know how I would have fit a hat in here now if you see my box at the end. Or our box at the end, I should say. So I was using the Cricut mini press. So that's a craft that anybody can do, so super easy. And then I have some tumblers here, and I had gotten these tumblers for $1.24 at Hobby Lobby on clearance, and so I'm just going to use one of them here. And I had cut some items or some images with the Cricut with just some various vinyls to make all of our colors kind of come together here. And as you can see, I've got some happy faces. So at first I was just going to use the outside edge of the happy face, but then I realized, hey, you can get a twofer on this, so why not make that a sticker? So I removed that, and that meant that I had, a couple extra little stickers there. And I'm going to keep the inside of the dots of the flower as well. So you'll see I place most of these items like a sticker on here, just so I can place them like I want to here and there. Just going to clean it with some rubbing alcohol. And these are nice cups. They come with a straw, and hopefully our girl will find it very handy and enjoy it. And so we're just going to go about making it a happy little cup. Now we're going to go about putting some flowers on. And as you'll see, I continue on transferring those as a sticker. Do you participate in Operation Christmas Child? If you do, please give me a comment down below. I'd love to hear how long you've been participating. Our church always does. And this particular box was jam-packed full by the time we were done. I show a little bit of that, but had to do a little bit more, and I'll show some more items too because my mom got crafty and created something for our box for this one, and it's beautiful. So just putting some hearts and flowers and smiley faces, and I even cut some more of these and I placed them on the inside edge of our box, and then the inside of the lid as well. So we wrote a message there in the inside lid too. So, and then I'm going to go about using my dots that were the inside of the flower. And as you can see, you can get so much more mileage out of a transfer. I would have used the inside of the heart, but it just didn't look quite right to me once I had tried that, so quickly gave up on that. But I love how the dots kind of pull it all together a little bit. So dots are a lovely little filler. So continue on this. if you see something like this at Hobby Lobby on the clearance rack, don't be afraid to pick it up. I did look in the box and make sure it was coming with the straws immediately. I just threw them in the cart. There were more there, but I had gotten these back in either late spring or early summer. I've had them a bit, but there's always something on clearance. And the more I've seen that Hobby Lobby is clearancing items in the area that you are shopping, so not necessarily just a clearance section. There is a little bit, but you'll notice that there are things marked down in the area that they belong in. Just doing this little spin just to make sure to see what area needed something. And decided that one could use a little happy smiley face there. So anyway, I think surely the smiley face and hearts and flowers are universal and everything happy. So not all of that one transferred, so I just had to redo, and it took. So very nice. I'm really happy with it. So, and of course, the straw has one of those little bubbles on the end so it doesn't fall out. But anyway, just showing you how it looked with it. This is a little writing pad, so you write on it with a pen provided, and then it has a little trash can button to where you clear it off. So thought that'd be cool. And then toothbrushes, of course, and cool little socks. So like I said, going with the smiley face there, and just trying to figure out how to make it all work. So in here I'm packing it, but I don't show the final packing because I end up doing some more stuff to it. So found some more cool pins, and I put those in that little tin. This is just a little booklet and another little book, and that little package there with Mickey on it are a couple of those little balls that you blow up and you punch ball them. So, and then right there in my hand was a friendship bracelet kit that had a little sewing kit in it too. So it had a mini pair of scissors, that cuts you thread and stuff, and then needle and thread and that kind of thing. Like I said, our girl we're targeting older group, so also a little safety pin in there with the bracelet kit. So a little paint set, a pack of 3 canvases, and I had gotten there's a headband, a little poppet. I had also gotten a little wooden llama, and I didn't think it was going to fit at first in here, but after my mom gave me her item that she had created, I had to pull things out and kind of redo, and I did get the llama in there. So it's a Dollar Tree, one of those little things that you paint or mark up, and it has a light in it, so I thought you'd like that too. I also put a nightlight in there. There's no straw, I almost forgot it. I put a flashlight in there, sorry. Put a flashlight in there. I was showing the cups there, but a flashlight with extra batteries. I did put a measuring tape in there because I thought it could be handy, and it had a carabiner clip on the thing of it, so it worked too. There's the dress that my mom made, and a little bear and a lovey that we put in, and some stickers, a cool pin that my mom had made. So just hoping to send some love. So if you enjoyed this, please give a thumbs up. If you liked it, please consider subscribing and coming back for more, and leave me a comment like I said below about Operation Christmas Child or any other special efforts that you do, if it's Angel Children or anything like that at Christmas. Thank you, and Merry Christmas.